This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 338 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 39 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, refrigerator, TV antenna, LP detector, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, awning, water heater, smoke detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 338 BHS is 10,260 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.